Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and I recently bought and installed Magix Music Maker, and it wouldn't play on my computer. There's no sound. I go in the synthesizer, you can see the levels, there's sound coming, but there's no sound coming from the speakers. Same with the keyboard, no sound coming from the speakers. What is going on? The solution is to go to Program Settings, select Audio, and the problem is with the Wasabi driver. So make sure you select that and select your speakers. I can't select the speakers because what will happen is the recording software will kick out and won't record my voice anymore. So that's all you have to do is select your speakers and the program will work. They should have thought of this when they were actually installing the program to give you the option to select your speakers and you wouldn't run into this bug. So anyways, that's how to fix Music Maker from not working when you install it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.